Hello, good morning, students. Today we discuss about the haloform reaction. Haloform reaction. It is a very important reaction. First of all, you should know what is haloform. General form of haloform is CHX3. It is the general formula of CHX3. CHX3 is the general formula. When X is any halogen. Where X is any halogen, CHCl3, it is called chloroform. CHI3, it is called iodoform. When we write CHBr3, it is called bromoform. Chloroform, bromoform, iodoform are the general, you can say these are the compounds, and collectively they are called as haloform. Collectively they are called as haloform. And this reaction, whatsoever for the reaction, haloform reaction is used, you can write the haloform reaction is used to detect this group. Detect this group present in the compound. Here you can say the compound in which this group is present gave this reaction. You can understand the carbonyl group. This is carbonyl group. The carbonyl group in which methyl group is present, like this one. This is methyl group is present in the carbonyl. This is carbonyl group. Methyl group is added here. You can say it is used to detect this group, or you can say the compound in which this group is present give the haloform reaction. The compound in which this group is present give the haloform reaction, or some other compounds when oxidation is carried out for the other compounds, they give this compound, they also give the haloform reaction. I mean to say the compound having this group give the haloform reaction. Therefore, the acetaldehyde CH3COH, this is formula of acetaldehyde. Propanone, this is acetone, or you can say propanone. This is a carbonyl group. Carbonyl group containing the methyl group. They give haloform reaction. Acetaldehyde and propanone, you can say acetaldehyde and acetone, give the haloform reaction. Apart from this one, ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH, it also gives the haloform reaction. And propanol 2 CH3 CHOH CH3, this is propanol 2. It also gives the haloform reaction. In your reports, generally these compounds, haloform reaction of these four compounds are generally asked in your examination. Acetaldehyde, propanone, ethanol, and propanol 2 give the haloform reaction. while the methyl alcohol, formaldehyde, methyl alcohol, formaldehyde or propanol, I mean to say propanol 1, do not give this reaction. This is formaldehyde or you can say methanol. This is methanol and this is propanol 1. These compounds do not give this reaction. These compounds do not give the haloform reaction. When ethanol or propanone reacts with any one of the compound, acetaldehyde, ethanol or acetone reacts with iodine and NaOH, reacts with iodine and NaOH, they form CHI3. It is called iodoform. It is called iodoform. That is yellow PPT. Whose yellow PPT is obtained. Iodoform, that is when we use the iodine, it forms the iodoform. When we take chlorine, then chloroform. When we have to use the bromine, we get the bromoform. But generally iodoform is used because it is a solid state. It is in the solid state and color is yellow. It can easily observe. And apart from this one, apart from the iodoform, other side products are formed, like the water, methyl acetate, etc. You can see this is a carbonyl group containing the methyl group. This one, it is essential for the haloform reaction. Or maybe H or CH3, whatever you can use. It may be aldehyde or ketone. When this reacts with any halogen, X is halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine reacts halogen and sodium hydroxide, we get haloform CHX3. This is haloform. And apart from the haloform, we get RCOONA, that is the sodium salt and sodium halide and water molecule. X depends on which halogen you have used. It may be chloroform, bromoform, iodoform. This is haloform reaction given by acetaldehyde and acetone. First one is acetaldehyde and second one is by the acetone. Acetaldehyde and acetone reacts with iodine plus NaOH to give the yellow PPT of iodoform. This is iodoform. Yellow PPT of iodoform is obtained. Other products are, in case of acetaldehyde, there is a sodium acetate, the sodium formate, and in the other case sodium acetate. Other common sodium iodide and water molecules are obtained. You can take a screenshot